I focus on the inside job of nonviolent communication. And what that means is that what I'm going to redirect you to all the time, over and over again, is what is your intention when you open your mouth? When you're about to say something, is your intention to change them, to correct them, to educate them, to get them to be different? And if any of that is in there, I would say, in my perspective, you're not about to speak nonviolent communication. And I can help you be strategic around that, but it's not nonviolent communication in the way I understand it. Okay. So I can help you be coercive. And I don't mean this is a bad thing. I don't necessarily think that affecting change in that way is always a bad thing. Sometimes we're not choosing to use nonviolent communication as the tool. But if we're not using nonviolent communication and we still want to be relationally empowered and boundaried and open-hearted and connected, there are ways that we can do it in really skillful ways that might not be classical NVC. Okay, so I just want to say that. So the other thing is, if we're really living in like self-responsible, nonviolent, compassionate, connected consciousness, I will often bring your attention back to you instead of the response from the other person, because my deep love in life is to help you become so self-loving, so grounded in your own goodness, so rooted in the loving nature of your life force energy, so knowing of your own capacities, that you can field the widest range of responses that other people might have to you without losing your conscious, loving, compassionate center. That's really what it is that I'm here to help you do. I'm not here to help you change other people, but what I will tell you is everybody else will change around you as you change. That's been my experience. So as you begin bringing a different energy, as you begin bringing a different skillfulness, as you have a clearer and clearer intention of what it is that you're trying to do so that you can show up authentic and real and in integrity with yourself, people will start responding differently to you. Life will begin adapting and responding to that. But if your intention is to get someone else to do something differently, then I want to check you and say, okay, I can join you there. We can play that game, but let's be clear, we're not really doing nonviolent communication, if that's what we're doing, at least in my understanding.